Hey guys, today I'm going to be recreating the viral Siren Eyes makeup look. It's going absolutely viral on TikTok, so I thought why not create an in-depth tutorial. To start off, I am using a concealer and then setting that with some setting powder to prep my eyes. Then I'm going in with the Makeup by Mario palette. I'm going to be using this palette and going in with that beautiful brown shade and be using that as my transition shade. If you guys don't own this palette, you guys absolutely need to. It's one of the best matte palettes I ever used, and I use this almost every single day, so it's definitely worth it. Next, I'm going into this deep brown shade and I'm just packing that in my outer V and blending that out so there's no harsh lines, and then I'm blending that into the crease as well. And then I'm actually flicking it out and extending it past like my eye socket, and this is gonna help with creating that beautiful like siren eye. You want to make sure you take your time blending and making sure that nothing looks muddy, and also remember to flick out and go past your brows if you need to. Once you're happy with that, we're gonna go in and mix these three shades right here. I'm mixing the three shades together because I don't want an overly bright lid color. I still want it to be a little dark and smoky because that's what a siren eye is. I'm just going in with this Revlon liner. This is one of the best drugstore liners I've used. Just creating the shape of the wing, and you want to extend it as far out as you can. To achieve the siren eye, the farther the line is, the better. Then you want to connect that line up until the halfway point of your eyeball and fill her in. Once you are happy with how the wing looks, what you're going to be doing is you're going to take that liner and you're going to almost like tight line your eyes with that same liner in that inner corner, so the other half of the eyeball. And as you do that, you can just extend the line outside of your eyes. This is going to create that inner corner flick, and this is what makes or breaks the siren eye look. The key here is to do this while you're tightlining your eyes so it follows the natural shape of your eye and it doesn't look like a weird line sticking out of your eye. Now we're just going to repeat that whole liner process on the other side. So what you're going to do, you're going to draw out the line first, and then you're going to connect it to the midpoint of your eyeball. Then tightline your inner corner and you can go back and forth, and once you like the buildup, then you can extend it out following that natural shape of your eye, and then you can connect it to your lower lash line, and there it is. Use your concealer to clean up your eyeliner, and don't forget to add your lashes. I personally love these Kiss lashes that I'll link in my description box below. And then I'm going in with this Norvina Chrome Stick. And then I'll be setting that gel liner with the black eyeshadow so it doesn't bleed throughout the day. Okay, so this is my Siren Eyes tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Comment down below and don't forget to subscribe.